Ready to make the most creamy and delicious deviled eggs you've ever tasted? Today, we're diving into a classic recipe that's simple, elegant, and perfect for any gathering. Welcome back to the kitchen. Deviled eggs might look fancy when served on a platter, but they're actually incredibly easy to pull off with just a few pantry staples. For this recipe, you'll need large eggs, mayonnaise, yellow or Dijon mustard, a splash of pickle juice, salt, pepper, and a bit of paprika for that iconic finish. Pro tip: use eggs that have been in your fridge for a few days. Slightly older eggs are much easier to peel once boiled compared to farm fresh ones. Start by placing your eggs in a single layer in a saucepan. Cover them with about an inch of water and bring it to a full, rolling boil. Once boiling, turn off the heat, cover the pan, and let them sit for about 12 minutes. This ensures the yolks are fully set without becoming rubbery. Immediately move the eggs into an ice bath. This sudden chill stops the cooking process and prevents that unsightly green ring from forming around the yolk. Let them sit in the cold water for at least 5 minutes. When they're cool to the touch, gently tap the shells all over and roll them to loosen the skin. Peel the eggs carefully under a bit of cool running water. The water helps the shell slide right off, leaving the egg whites smooth and intact. Now, use a sharp knife to slice each egg in half lengthwise. Wipe your knife between cuts to keep the edges looking clean and professional. Gently pop the yolks out into a medium mixing bowl. Be careful not to tear the egg whites, as these will be the little cups for our filling. Use a fork to mash the yolks until they're fine and crumbly. The smaller the crumbles, the smoother and creamier your final filling will be. Add in your mayonnaise, mustard, and pickle juice. Start with a small amount of liquid first. You can always add more, but you can't take it back. Season the mixture with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Give it a good stir until the color is consistent and the texture is velvety smooth. Taste your filling. You're looking for a perfect balance of savory, tangy, and creamy flavors. Add a tiny bit more mustard if you want more zing. If the filling feels a bit too stiff, add another teaspoon of mayo. The goal is a mixture that holds its shape but feels light on the tongue. Feel free to get creative here. You can fold in some finely chopped chives, a dash of hot sauce, or even some sweet relish for a bit of crunch. You can spoon the mixture back into the whites, but for a truly professional look, use a piping bag or a simple zip-top bag with the corner snipped off. Pipe the filling in a gentle circular motion to create a beautiful swirl. It makes these simple eggs look like they came from a high-end catering event. The finishing touch is a light dusting of paprika. It adds a pop of color and a subtle hint of earthiness that ties the whole dish together. Arrange the finished eggs on a serving platter. If you're worried about them sliding around, place them on a bed of fresh greens or herbs. Deviled eggs are best served chilled. Keep them in the refrigerator until the very moment you're ready to serve your guests. If you're prepping for a party, you can boil and peel the eggs a day early. Just store the whites and the filling separately until you're ready to assemble. There you have it, beautiful, classic deviled eggs. They're savory, tangy, and always the first appetizer to disappear at any potluck or holiday meal. Thanks for watching. If you loved this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy, homemade favorites every week. Let us know in the comments how you like your deviled eggs. Do you stick to the classic version or do you have a secret ingredient? See you next time.